Storick here.
Donnie Petsche here too.
And we're here in beautiful San Diego. Got exciting news. We just got the Goosky Rs4 Venom in. And we want to show you what's in the box. I think it looks sick, dude. The red, white, and blue canopy.
Dude, I love it, I love it, I love it.
Yeah.
Alright, straight off, right when you open the box, you get the manual.
Yep, pretty clean manual. Check a few pages out.
That's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice detailed manual.
That motor, dude.
Can't wait to check that thing out.
Yep. So let's see what else is in here. Take out this big one right here. What do you think's in this one?
Dude, probably the canopy, dude. I want to see that thing.
See, dude. All right, we got the landing gear right here. The blade holder. Oh, here's the canopy.
And look at that thing, dude.
Got a bunch of different parts in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Dude, that canopy is sick. They have 3 different canopies available. This is the one that I picked. Which one would you get, Donnie?
I would get that one too.
Yeah? Red, white, and blue?
Yeah.
We've got some other parts in here. Different parts. We got the frames right here. Got the tail belt pulley, looks like. Some dampeners, looks like the spindle shaft. Maybe, oh yeah, here we go. Swash plate, the links. Nice, and if you guys notice, everything's labeled on here so that when you're building it, you know exactly what part to go with. The battery tray. Tail, looks like the tail fin, the tail case. Nice. Everything's high quality. Good job, Goosky. Here, Donnie, go ahead and open this one.
Open this one. Check it out. Alright.
I think the motor's in there.
I think so too. Okay.
Everything's packaged really nice.
Oh yeah.
Tight fit.
Let's see if we can get it out. Okay. Oh dang,
Dang, look at that
straight
motor,
off the
dude.
bat. Thing is awesome. It's like a little mini pizza.
Pizza.
Oh man,
That
this
is
thing's sick.
Dude, that thing's clean.
Here, check it out.
Yeah. So I actually heard that this motor is more powerful than the previous RS4 motor.
Really?
So that's what they say. So we'll see.
Awesome.
But the last RS4 was really powerful. So how could they make a motor that's
Hey,
more
powerful? Dude, that's better, man.
Yeah, man.
It's not a bad thing.
It's awesome.
Put this back in here.
All right, moving on. Actually, we got some Goosky
check that out.
stickers right there.
Heck yeah.
I like the green. Pretty cool, dude. All right, next box. Probably the blades. What do you think?
I think so too.
Let's see what we got. Whoop. Got the main blades right there. Those are clean.
Sweet, dude.
Nice, dude.
RS4. That's cool. It says it too.
Yeah. We got the Goosky tail blades
Heck yeah.
and the tail boom. That's about it in that one.
Nice.
Yep, tail control rod. Get these nice red anodized parts right here. It looks clean, nice touch.
I saw that through the frame too. They had a few red anodized.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really nice. Sweet, dude. Well, that's about it in the box of the Goosky Rs4 Venom.
So yeah, there's 3 different color options, and they're on pre-order now at Heli Direct. I think it's $419.
Yeah.
Pre-order right now.
Yep.
So that's not bad. You get all this, the motor and stuff, blades,
Yep.
and the kit. So what kind of electronics are you gonna put in?
I'm actually gonna run the torque servos for the cyclic and the tail, and if you talk about CGY 760R for the fly barless,
Okay.
and then the Goosky ESC. So
Sweet.
yes, really the only difference
Yeah,
between the Venom and the regular RS4 is the ability to actually use your own servos, your own cyclic servos now.
So the different layouts. Or
Different layout, yeah.
Okay.
Because the last one you could only use the Goosky cyclic servos. It was a special design. But this one you can actually use any servo you want. So.
And then a different motor too.
Yeah, they say the motor's more powerful.
Okay. Nice.
I'm excited, man. So,
Yeah.
all right, dude. Well, thank you guys for watching. All this is available at helidirect.com, of course. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.